Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for QQQ. The report was first published on our website Friday, October 28, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell QQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since October 28, 2022, our system ranks the QQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 2.750. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, QQQ ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The QQQ ETF price gained 3.06% on the last trading day, Friday, October 28, 2022, rising from $272.87 to $281.22. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 3.54% from a day low at $272.06 to a day high of $281.70. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 7.85% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 6 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 63 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $17.66 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $254.26. Right now the price is 31.19%, or $127.49, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 19.15% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 28.03% and minus 19.15%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 29.93% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between minus 36.33% and minus 23.88%. This equals a price between $179.06 and $214.07 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for QQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock, but the ETF has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $277.03 and $277.89. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 14, 2022, and so far it has risen 7.85%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 44 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $279.94, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the ETF moved $9.64, 3.54%, between high and low. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 2.65%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.71. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $283.56. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $279.94, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $269.38, minus 4.21%. This ETF has low daily movements, and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 10 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 31st, we expect QQQ to open down minus $2.89 and start trading at $278.33. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.